Excuse me.
What happened? You got me fucked up.
What happened?
You just sneezed on me.
I try to tell you to watch out. My bad. I just been sneezing all day. I give you a hug.
Nah.
Oh no.
Nasty.
My bad.
Nasty.
Did it get on
What the
YouTube?
fuck you sneezing her?
Did it get on YouTube?
No, but you knew what the fuck you was doing.
I asked you, can you move out the way?
No, you did.
Why you putting your cup up there like you finna do something? Like
Why would you just sneeze on me?
what y'all on?
Why would you just sneeze
Like what you on, bro? Watch out, bro. I don't even.